Another day and another XRP lawsuit. And I'm not talking about the appeal or Ripple's cross appeal. This is a completely separate case that is being filed against the SEC over XRP futures. So without further ado, folks, I want to get right on into this episode, talk about this lawsuit, what it means for XRP, and what it reveals as far as the demand for XRP products, ETFs, futures from Wall Street. They're dying. They're, as Bloomberg described it, they're racing to launch these products. And in fact, they're willing to go as far as suing the SEC. That's right, folks. Let's take a look at it. Going to take a look at the markets real quick, precious metals, and then I'm going to get into the crypto lawsuit here against the SEC. I'm also going to show you guys a chart that I've never seen before, XRP versus M1 money supply, and XRP breaking out against it. So stay tuned. We're going to break it down. Let's get started here because this is the perfect symphony, perfect coincidence, call it whatever you want, where the S&P 500 is topping out at a new all-time high here today on October 11th, the same exact day that we topped out on in 2007, right before that great financial crisis. So the S&P 500 literally following the same exact pattern in 2007 of setting a new top July 16th to the day, then breaking out into new all-time high once again on October 9th after the first Fed rate cut, which came in on September 18th. Same day, and then the S&P 500 breaks out into a new all-time high on October 9th, and here we are topping out at a new all-time high today on October 11th. This was the top in 2007 before the bottom fell out. It was a 57% drop for the next year for the S&P 500. So be ready, stay liquid, take advantage of it. Speaking of taking advantage of it, something that we've taken advantage of was these gold and silver prices while they're on sale. Silver's still on sale, gold already into price discovery, hanging out right here at 2,670 this morning. And we see that silver also bounced this morning, pushing back towards $32 once again. So these things, yeah, they're getting a hit. You know, silver was back below $31 earlier this week. I said, hey, you want to take advantage of it? Probably not going to last for long. And we're seeing that although we're getting some pullbacks, these are healthy pullbacks, we're building some real structure in that $30 to $32 range. Already broke through $33 once. I want to see us do it one more time and hold. We need to confirm that breakout. But I told you there's no man's land between that 33 and that all-time high of $50 for silver. So real quick, if you guys are looking to get precious metals, I have a link up down below. If you go to that link, you can tell us whether you want the metal shipped directly to your house or if you want to roll over a 401k retirement account. Now, I want to tell you about one more community resource real quick here. This is Uphold. With the USD interest account on Uphold, it's the customer who gets the interest, not the bank. 4.9% APY on dollars instantly tradable into crypto. 2% APY on balances under 1,000. So even if you don't have much, you can still make something. No subscription, no lockup, and here's what I like to see too. FDIC insured up to $2.5 million on participating funds. This is for US only. So I got a link for Uphold down below. Many of you guys are already on that platform, but if you're not, if you're new, you can use my link, get set up there with Uphold. This is part of my XRP exit strategy, right? Is I'm going to sell off, take XRP profits, move some of that allocation into a USD account, probably on Uphold, probably this one that's paying 4.9%, because I'm going to put that off to the side so that I can buy back in after this bull run when XRP corrects and comes back down. Let's go earn 4.9% on the cash while we're waiting, and then we can deploy that capital right back into XRP on the Uphold platform. Anything to anything. That's what always got me so excited about Uphold. Great platform. And so I got them linked up down below if you guys want to take advantage of that. Enough of that. Let's get right on into it, folks. Here is the lawsuit. Let's take a look at it. Eleanor Terrett with the scoop. Bitnomial sues SEC over XRP futures, challenges agency's continued claim that XRP is a security. Crypto derivatives exchange Bitnomial is suing the SEC over the agency's claim that it has authority over its planned XRP futures contract. Here's the official statement here by Bitnomial. And the problem is that they understand that this should be with the CFTC, Commodity Futures Trading Commission, not with the Securities Exchange Commission. This is a futures contract, should be done with the CFTC, right? And so they are suing because the SEC's threatening to sue them or bring action against them. Basically said, if you launch this futures, XRP futures contracts, we're going to sue you. So Bitnomial, and take note, This is somebody else. This is a big derivatives platform that's suing the SEC. Why? So that they can sell XRP. They want to be able to sell XRP so bad. The ETPs, the ETFs, XRP products are mostly going to be ETPs because XRP is not a security. And you're going to see futures contracts start to open up here too. It's a race. Bloomberg describing it as a race to launch these products. Here's what's so incredible, though. The SEC truly has no shame. You have to read paragraph 34 to 36 of the complaint of Bitnomial against the SEC, or you won't believe me. The SEC supported its assertion that XRP is a security by giving Bitnomial copies of its summary judgment briefs in the SEC versus Ripple case, but did not note that the court rejected the SEC's arguments that all of the XRP sales at issue were investment contracts and found that the token itself was not a security. See extract from complaint. So they go down here, they say, hey, thanks for the summary judgment briefs that you give us, but you forgot to leave out the part where the judge said, quote, XRP as a digital token is not in and of itself a contract transaction or scheme that embodies the Howey requirements of an investment contract, which is the ruling that we're all holding up, saying, hey, you cannot say that when I sell XRP, it's a security. When Ripple sells XRP, it's a security, unless it gets packaged up in an investment contract, which the judge did say to institutions they did. It's a speeding ticket infraction, nothing more, nothing less. Pay your fine, go about your business, and now you know how to structure these deals. Bitnomial, what are they trying to do? They're creating a futures product. It is not an investment contract. It's an option on the futures of XRP that's under the jurisdictions of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. We already have established precedent, but the SEC has no shame. And they want to use their bullying tactics into getting people to stay away from XRP. Now, why? We got to stop here for a second. I made the point. It's clear Wall Street wants to sell XRP. But why? Why does the SEC have to continue attacking XRP? Why did they have to file an appeal? Why are they trying to threaten Bitnomial for launching an XRP futures contract? What does the XRP futures contract lead to? It leads to more ETPs. It leads to more ETFs. It leads to more products that are going to sell XRP. The SEC really likes to see a healthy futures market before they approve the ETPs or the ETFs. Well, they would be coming if the SEC wasn't suing derivatives platforms over trying to launch these futures contracts. Now, here's what I love to see from Bitnomial. And I'm going to have to get another folder. I don't know which one this one should be. Maybe a blue or a different color because the red folder is already taken up. But I'm going to have to get a different folder to cover this lawsuit because it's going to be very interesting. I like this chess move that they made right here. And huge shout out to Cowboy Crypto. When a company like Bitnomial sues the SEC and lists each individual commissioner as a defendant, will they be open to discovery of corruption? Now, we have not seen this before, right? Listing each SEC commissioner as a defendant individually. Now we're talking. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're applying pressure. And this is what we are in this fight for. Huge shout out to Bitnomial in this effort, right? Now, continuing on here, you can see that folks are starting to realize what's going on here. A lot of folks don't get it, completely missing this, and they've already given up on XRP. My comments are flooded with it. See you in 2 years. See you in 5 years. See you in 10 years. Looks like we missed this bull run. I'm going to go cry in the corner. Oh, thank God I dumped my XRP and bought this meme coin that I made 5x on my money on. God bless you. I'm glad that you made money. Great. I'm not going anywhere because the fundamentals haven't gone anywhere. The institutions aren't going anywhere. And in fact, the institutions are now suing the SEC so that they can sell XRP products. That's how badly they want it. And folks are starting to realize, like Yasin, who's been critical of Ripple and XRP lately. I've seen some of his X posts. I think I've responded to a couple in my videos. But now, what does he realize? This actually tells me that there are a lot of financial institutions ready to offer XRP-based products as soon as they feel safe to do so from a regulatory standpoint. Examples are Bitwise and Canary Capital, both of the ETP filings, right? Some can't wait any longer and are suing the SEC to force that safe zone declaration like Bitnomial. This is where we're at. Now, I want to show you a chart here that I haven't seen anybody share on XRP real quick. This is from Dr. Magic on X. What if I told you that XRP is broken out against M1 a while ago And right now we are fighting the most significant resistance in the chart before mooning. Charts against M1 for me are very significant because they show you the real progress assets have made through time. Remember, M1 shows the printing of money. When it goes up, most assets go up because of the debasement of money. You see the real strength of an asset if you divide it with M1. So here's XRP versus M1. It's broken out, but now fighting a major resistance, the most significant resistance in the chart before mooning. Now you see what happens when we break out of this resistance, where we go next, right? I mean, how many different charts do you have to look at and compare that take us back to that 2017 moment? Now, is the fractal going to be as big as it was in 2017? Are we going to see that big percentage gains? Not likely. But it shows you that we got an explosive move to the upside that's coming. I'm going to make a separate video breaking down why I believe that XRP will not miss this bull run, because a lot of people, I see the sentiment, they don't get it. They don't get that there's literally derivatives platforms, Wall Street platforms that are suing the SEC so that they can list XRP products. That's how badly they want to sell it. And I noted this past week that we're watching BlackRock and others. The suits are now selling it with slideshow presentations. And let me add the next part, and suing the SEC. The suits are selling it with slideshow presentations and suing the SEC so that they can sell these products. That's where we're at in this cycle. When you look at the charts, when you look at the fundamentals, when you look at the legal battle, it's all coinciding on a moment that comes up here soon where XRP does have an explosive move to the upside. I'll let you guys let me know how high that's going to go. Or for those that want to say, I've left XRP, I'm done, I'm out, I hope you go make money somewhere else as well. I don't think that that's going to discredit what's coming for XRP, and we're going to be ready to take advantage of that. More content on the way. Make sure you guys have subscribed, hit that notification bell if you appreciate what we're doing. Let's smack it. Let's tap it. Let's share it out far and wide. And everything's at ZachRector.com. Really appreciate those of you that support our show. God bless you all. I am your host, Zach Rector. I really appreciate all of the love and support. If you want to support the channel, just remember that you can start by smashing that thumbs up for me, sharing this content far and wide, and everything else is at my website.